Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be Siri controlled making my slime. You can just see by the title. So I'll be just asking questions. I can't be saying like Siri cereal or toast. I can't say that, or like glue or glitter glue. I can't say that because it's not gonna be listening that much. So it'll be Siri, pick the number 1 through 2. So or 1 through 3. I don't know. So yeah, let's get started. So I'm not gonna be doing like no glue or yes glue because the only things I'm not gonna do is glue, the mixing, and the bowl and the activator. But all the ingredients I'm gonna be using is gonna be controlled. So yes. So yeah, let's get started. So I'm just gonna be pouring the glue first because that's not controlled about Siri. Siri's only controlled of the ingredients. So I painted my nails. This one's like orangey pinkish, and this is like pink, really red pinkish. I'll be right back. I'll just turn on the lights. I'm back. I turned on other lights from there because it was not dark enough. So I have my glue. Then now the first thing I will say to Siri is,
I'm not sure I understand.
I just stinger yes to Siri. So yeah, the first thing is we're gonna add lotion or not. So 1 is yes and 2 is no lotion. So let's ask. I hope she doesn't do it right. Siri, pick a number 1 through 2.
That would be 2.
So I'm not gonna add lotion. So sad. Sorry, lotion. So yeah. I hope she doesn't pick like none because it'd be weird. Okay, the second one is scents. This one's a be choosing one. This is a mango one. This is a sugar. I don't know if this one's sugar or vanilla. I don't know. So this one's gonna be 1 and this one's gonna be 2. Siri, pick a number 1 through 2.
The answer is 1.
My favorite. This is my favorite. So I like the mango too, but it's not like my ultra favorite. I like it, but it's not my ultra favorite. So let's go on to the next one. I'm gonna look it to the end. So this one's also hard because I don't know. I'll say whatever, shaving cream or not. So it's gonna be like the lotion one, but shaving cream. So I think I don't know. I'll choose either. I don't know. Let's see. Siri, pick a number 1 through 2.
It's 2.
I'll do it again because it didn't actually say which number is this. Again, 1 is shaving cream and 2 is no shaving cream. Siri, pick a number 1 through 2.
It's 2.
No shaving cream. Woohoo! Okay, next one is this glitter or not. So this is like orangey glitter. So I only used it once for this slime. It's pretty. Okay. Siri, pick a number 1 through 2.
That would be 1.
I have to add it. I'll just favor the rest of the video if you're gonna do choosing. 1 is yes and no, 2 is no. So yay! I actually might add a little bit because I'm not actually that excited to add glitter. That's it. I'm not gonna add that much. Did I pass? Yeah, that's it. I'll add a lot, guys. Then add so little. Yeah, guys, because I don't feel like glitter today. You know? So I'll be mixing it really quick because it's almost the end of the video. I'm not done yet. I am gonna be doing water or no. You know, guys, 1 is yes and 2 is no. So Siri, pick a number 1 through 2.
It's 1.
I have to add water. I didn't add shaving cream, so a little bit because they're really thin. And I add shaving cream. Or did I? Oh no, I didn't. I forgot. Okay, now it's activating time. It smells so good. Okay, I'm just gonna. This is for fun. Do it at activate or not? This is just for fun, guys. This is not for like real. I'm not gonna listen to her. If she says yes, I'll just do it. Siri, pick a number one through 2.
It's 1.
Yes, I should have it. I already know something. Though you should know, this is borax powder. Borax solution. I don't know if this on like. I think I should already activate. I don't want to do this. Oh, it's activating. Oh. Yay. Yay. Ooh, it's already getting slimy. So. Yeah. You know what? No. Need more. I didn't even know how much it go because I didn't even see it. So it's activating, guys. I'm using this stick. I don't know where I got it from, but it just appeared on my desk where I do slime. But I don't know because I didn't see the screen. Sorry about the background noise. My dad's watching TV. I don't know. Should I get it really? No, I don't want to be a big messer. I hope I don't use all this after. I think no, it's already a lot after it. It's night, just saying, guys, because that's why I turned on all the lights next to me. I'm in the kitchen right now. I think I'll get it. I'll give you a hack, guys. There's that hack. So get my hands. A hack is when you know your slime is ready, it's taken off from the sides. That's how you know your slime is ready. Oh dear, it's still sticky. Well, I don't know why I get my phone because my phone is next to me. It's really good. It's just kind of a bit stretchy. I did activate it good. The overactivated. Dip. This is really pretty actually. So look, I'll show you guys how I do it. Dip. Oh, that's pretty good. Oh, my hands already hurt. This is a workout. Oops, I just actually did a lot. Okay, I think that's it. Put on the floor. Well, not on the floor, but the table. Okay. Ooh, that's pretty good. I like it. Oh my gosh, it's clicky. I'm just gonna do it really quick. It cleans really quick. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna add a lot after because there's is after. So I'll do some ASMR. I don't know. It's really good. It's really thick, but still stretchy. So guys, I hope you like and subscribe to this video and comment below if you like this slime. I think Siri did a good pick on saying yes or no. I was actually happy. She said no sugar cream. So yeah, thank you Siri for thank you sugar for me. For that look, it's stretchy but still thick. So guys, I hope you like, subscribe, and share this video. And I hope to get to 30 likes on this channel because that's what I just hit on the last video. So yeah guys, the question of the day is what would you do if you only had pizza or ice cream? That means like, would you rather pizza or ice cream? I'm saying. So if you're just confused, so guys, I hope you like this video and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.